So this is the Country Brook Design 1.5 inch dog collar. And so I wanted to share this particular version because not only is it 1.5 inches, but I wanted to show the quality. Quality is outstanding. Super, 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 I guess you'd call it thick, or just you could tell high quality when it comes to the seams and how they're sewn in. Everything's, I mean, just you could just tell this is a high quality collar. It is easy to size. The neck on this dog is this is a whippet, obviously, but 14 inches. And so we still have room to go if we wanted to tighten it up even more. And this particular version is or size is the medium. So that was one thing I was a little unsure of. And there's some measurements that you can do when it comes to measuring dogs' necks for collars. But it's pretty conditioned. This is the blue camo color, but all the buckles are made in really good quality, real strong, and again, it's also easy to adjust. It has this locking thing here that will kind of pinch it in and lock it. And then when you have your dog, you're gonna pull them, hold them like this. This particular collar, for sure, is in good quality condition. You can see here, that's how it actually pulls. It kind of pulls it tight right there, and then it kind of cinches. So if you were curious as to the quality, again, it's nice. The color is really nice and bold for this particular one, this blue camo. The material is really, really good too. This one, I'm optimistic will hold up really good over time. These are pretty good. Overall, real good construction, and hope that helps.